Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing your third lesson and that is multiples and factors. In previous videos you learned the divisibility rules. Okay, in previous videos I taught the divisibility rule of 2, divisibility rule of 3, divisibility rule of 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this all I taught in the previous video. Then what about in today's class? In today's class also you are going to learn the few more divisibility rule of these numbers, and that is 7, 8, and also here it is for you it is there yes 7, 8 and 11. Okay, so here let us revise this divisibility rules, and also we are going to solve some of the examples from your textbook. Which of these numbers are divisible by 7, which of the numbers are divisible by 8, and which of the numbers are divisible by 11. So let us know about this divisibility rules. Dear students, already you know this divisibility rules. Let us revise once again. So here, see here, in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these digits are there in ones place, means that number is divisible by 2. I hope you are getting my point. See here, in ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. So let us take here one more example. 333. Add this 3 plus 3 plus 3. How much will come here? 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay, and 9 is completely divisible by 3, isn't it? So here this number is divisible by 3. Okay, so see here 3 plus 3 plus 3 you add, and that number is divisible by 9, means that number is divisible by 3, means this complete number is there, no, that is divisible by 3. So this is the divisibility rule of 3. Then take here 4. I will take here one example. 1, 3, 1, 2. 1, 3, 1, 2. So just see here you have seen the ones place, but when you are thinking about this 4, you need to see this last 2 digit, means ones and tens, and if that number is divisible by 4, then this complete number is there, no, that is divisible by 4. See here divisibility rule of 2 is there, means you just need to see ones place, but here divisibility rule of 4 is there, means you need to see this 2 digits, means ones and tens place. Here 12. So 12 is there in 4 ones a table, then this complete number is divisible by 4. Okay, so here 5 will come next. In ones place 0 and 5. In ones place 0 and 5 will come, means that number is completely divisible by 5. Okay, so I hope you are getting my point. Next here 6 is there. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then this number is then the given number is completely divisible by 6. See here 2 and 3 is there. For example, I will take here one example. Let us take here, I will take here 2, 9, and I will take here 2. I will take here 1. Otherwise I will take here 326. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I will take here 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here in ones place 6 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. Okay, and add this 4 plus 2 plus 6 is there. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, and 12 is completely divisible by 3. It means this number 426 is divisible by 6. I hope you understood this divisibility rules. For this you need more practice, so please keep practicing this kind of example. Just you take one number and check it out whether the number is divisible by which number. So in today's class we will learn a few more divisibility rules, and let us start with divisibility rule of 7. So here rule of 7. See then what we needs to be done here. Rule of 7. Divisibility rule of 7. Divisibility rule for 7. So let us take one example. 1274. So I took here example. I have to tell whether this number is divisible by 7 or no without dividing. So let us see its ones place. So what is there here in ones place? 4 is there. 127 is there. Next what do we have to do? We have to double this number. So 2 into 4. Okay, 2 into 4 means you need to double the number. What is the double of 4? It's 8. Take here 127 minus 2 4s are 8. 127 minus 8. So how much will come here? 127 minus 8 is equal to 17 minus 8 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1. So 119. 119 is there. Again you have to follow the same method. So just divide this number. 119 is there and divide with 7. See here 7 ones are 7 and 11 minus 7 is 4 and again you take 9 down and again you take here 7 sevens are 19. So see this 7 sevens are 4900. So what I see here, this number is completely divisible by 9. So you need to do one more step here. See here again you see what is there in ones place and double it, you will get the answer. So this is the rule for 7. So just see here next rule of 8. Rule for 8. So let us take one example. I will take here 109816. 109816. Then I have to check whether this number is divisible by 8 or no. For that you need to know this last 3 digit. Divide here 816 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Here 1 you take down. 8 zeros are 0. Next you take this 6 down. 8 twos are 16. So see this last 3 digits are divisible by 8 means this complete number is divisible by 8. So this is the divisibility rule for 8. You have to see its last 3 digit. Okay, divide and you will get the answer whether this number is divisible by 8 or not. Okay, so I taught now divisibility rule of 7, divisibility rule for 8. Now let us see the divisibility rule of 11. What is there the divisibility rule for 11? Just see here. So first you take one example here. 496 133 133. Okay, so here before that you have to know even and odd numbers. Okay, the multiples of 2 are what? Even numbers, and the numbers which are not multiple of 2 are odd number. So see here I will write here numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. So just add this even numbers 9. These numbers you add here 9 plus 1 plus 3. So how much will come here? 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Next you add this odd places. 4 plus 6 plus 3. 4 plus 6 plus 3. Okay. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. You subtract this. 13 minus 13 is 0. Okay. If you got this type of answer, then that number is completely divisible by 11. I hope you are getting my point. First you need to add its even digits. 4 9 1 3. Next you add 4 6 3 and subtract, and if you got answer as a 0 or if you got answer as 11 22 like that, then that number is divisible by 11. I hope you understood this divisibility rule for 11. Okay, first you add these numbers. I will repeat here once again. 4 9 6 1 3 3. First place, second place, third place, next second place, third place and fourth place. Add, and if its difference is 0 or that number is 11 22 33 means that number is the multiple of 11, then this complete number is divisible by 11. So just see some examples from your my practice time. My practice time 1. So which of the numbers are divisible by 7? So here they given first one 4, 3, 8, 5, 6, 1, and here 5, 6, 2, 6, 3, 2, next here 6, 5, 3, 2, 0, and here one more is there 1, 4, 1, 7, 0, 1, 5, 9, 8, and 7, 5, 2. So these are the some examples. For that you need to check the the divisibility rule for 7. Already I told how to find the divisibility rule of 7. See here, then here second, fourth and fifth. Second, fourth and fifth numbers will completely divisible by 7. You just take 2, double and subtract from this number, you will get the answer. Okay, so here second main and fourth main and fifth main numbers are completely divisible by 7. Okay, here next few more examples are there. Which of these numbers, which of these numbers are divisible by 8? So let us, I will take one example here. 5, 8, 7, 3, 2, 0. 5, 8, 7, 3, 2, 0. Already you know divisibility rule for 8. You need to see its last 3 digits. Take here 320 and divide with 8. So here in 8 ones a table 32 is there. So how much will come here? 8 4s are 32. 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, and you put this 0 at the end. Okay, so this last 3 digits are completely divisible by 8, means this whole number is divisible by 8. See here, like that, here few more are there, second, third, fourth, fifth. Try to solve that examples. You take last 3 digits, divide, and if the number is you got here remainder as 0, then that complete number is divisible by 8. Okay, next here one more is there. Which of these numbers are divisible by 11? So here I will take one example. See here what is there? 4, 3, 8, 4, 3, 8, 4, 3, 8, 1, 6, 9. Add its odd places. Next, even places. So 4 plus 8 plus 6. How much will come here? 4 plus 8 is, yes, 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Next you add here 3 plus 1 plus 9. So add here 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 9 is, 9 plus 1 is 10, 13 will come here. So its difference is not 0, 18 minus 13, 5 will come. Then this number is not divisible by 11. If you got here answer as a 0 by subtracting these two numbers or the multiple of 11, then that number is completely divisible by 11. So here they given 5 example. For that you need to use the divisibility rule. Okay. So I hope you understood this divisibility rules. For that you need a more practice. So please keep practicing these examples. Solve my practice time 1 neatly and send it to my personal number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.